Namaskar, India Meteorological Department IMD welcomes you in daily weather briefing program of 12 January 2022. So in this briefing, we will discuss about synoptic systems, realized weather during past 24 hours, weather forecast and warnings for next 5 days, and also outlook for subsequent to 3 days. So let us begin with today's synoptic systems. So this is satellite imagery giving cloudiness over different parts of the country and also synoptic systems. So as cloudiness is concerned, it is some clouds are there over northern parts of Odisha, West Bengal, Sikkim, and parts of Northeast India. As far as synoptic systems are concerned, this WD now lies over this northeast Rajasthan and neighborhood in lower and middle tropospheric levels as a cyclonic circulation, and its induced cyclonic circulation now lies over northwest Uttar Pradesh and neighborhood in lower tropospheric levels. And today, this cyclonic circulation now lies over South Konkan and neighborhood in lower tropospheric levels. And a trough runs from the south into Karnataka to South Chhattisgarh in lower tropospheric levels. Yesterday's cyclone circulation over southwest Bay of Bengal is still persisting and extends up to now 1.5 km above mean sea level. And today, fresh cyclone circulation lies over the South Tamil Nadu and neighborhood in lower tropospheric levels. So these are the synoptic systems. Under these synoptic systems, the weather of our country will be regulated. Accordingly, now we will discuss about past 24 hours realized weather. As far as rainfall is concerned, very heavy rainfall at isolated places has been realized over Odisha, and heavy rainfall has been realized at one or two stations over Telangana and South Chhattisgarh. So as far as Odisha is concerned, in Kandhamal district, Kalinga reported 15 centimeter, G. Jagri reported 7 centimeter, and in Telangana, one of the station reported 7 centimeter, that is Bhuvanagiri, and in Chhattisgarh, uh, in Kondagaon district, one or two stations reported 7 centimeter. So this is the significant amount of rainfall. As far as hail storm is concerned, hail storm at isolated places has been realized over East Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Gangetic, West Bengal, and Telangana. Severe cold day conditions observed in isolated pockets over West Madhya Pradesh and Punjab, and cold day conditions over Gujarat state, East Madhya Pradesh, and North Rajasthan. And as far as fog conditions are concerned, at 8 morning hours, that is 0830 hours IST of today, a dense to very dense fog prevailed in isolated pockets over Punjab, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Uttar Pradesh, and North Rajasthan. So this is the realized weather. Now we will discuss about the bad spell over East and adjoining Central India till 14th January and over Northeast India till 13th January 2022. So under the influence of different synoptic systems, as already told, fairly widespread to widespread light to moderate rainfall is expected over Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal and Sikkim, Telangana and coastal Andhra Pradesh during today up to 14 January, and isolated to scattered light to moderate rainfall over Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh during the same period. And isolated heavy rainfall is expected over Odisha on 13th January, that is tomorrow, and isolated hailstorm also expected over Chhattisgarh and West Bengal, Sikkim today and over Odisha on 13th January 2022. And scattered to fairly widespread precipitation is expected over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura during 12 and 13th January 2022, and isolated precipitation over the same region on 14th and 15th January 2022. So it is about the wet spell over East and adjoining Central India and over Northeast India. Now, as already told that there are two cyclone circulations, one over South Tamil Nadu and neighborhood and another over Southwest Bay of Bengal. So under the influence of these two cyclone circulation, isolated light rainfall is expected over Tamil Nadu and Kerala during next 4-5 days. Now, let us discuss about the minimum temperature scenario. Today, minimum temperatures are above normal by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over many parts of Haryana, Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, and East and Northeast India, and these are near normal or below normal by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over as parts of North India. And as far as the forecast of the minimum temperature is concerned, no significant change in minimum temperature is expected over most parts of northwest India during next 3 days, and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius thereafter. And no significant change in minimum temperature over Gujarat region during next 2 days, and gradual rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius thereafter. No significant change in minimum temperature over East India during next 3 days, and fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius thereafter. So it is the forecast of the minimum temperature. Now, cold day, cold wave and fog conditions. So, cold wave condition in isolated pockets expected over Punjab, North Rajasthan, and Madhya Pradesh during next 48 hours. And cold day to severe cold day condition in some pockets over West Madhya Pradesh and in isolated pockets over East Madhya Pradesh during next 2 days. And cold day conditions in isolated pockets very likely over Gujarat state during next 24 hours and over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, and North Rajasthan during next 2 days. And as far as fog conditions are concerned, so dense to very dense fog is expected in isolated pockets during night and morning hours, very likely over plains of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand during next 2 days, and over North Rajasthan during next 3 days, over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh during next 4 5 days, and over northeastern states that is Assam, Meghalaya on 14th and 15th, and over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura on 15th January 2022. So as far as the outlook for subsequent 2 3 days after 5 days is concerned, under the influence of fresh western disturbance, which is likely to affect around 16th January western Himalayan region. So northwestern Himalayan region likely to experience isolated to scattered precipitation on 16th and 17th. And second western disturbance likely to affect northwest India from 18th to 20th January 2022. So it is the outlook. And as far as the hail storm impact is concerned, over Chhattisgarh and West Bengal today and over Odisha on tomorrow. So hail may damage plantation, horticulture and standing crops. Hail may injure people and cattle at open places. As far as sun suggested is concerned, stay indoors, close windows and doors, and avoid travel if possible during the time of hailstorm. Take safe shelters, and do not take shelter under trees. Do not lie on concrete floors and do not lean against concrete walls. Unplug electrical electronic appliances, immediately get out of water bodies, and keep away from all the objects that conduct electricity. So this is the some of the actions during the time of hailstorm and thunderstorm activity over these subdivisions, that is Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, and Sikkim and Odisha. So this is this weather warning in graphics format. You can see that this is the fog conditions over plains of northwest India, and this is the cold and cold wave symbols over the central and Gujarat state and Rajasthan. And orange color is given today for Punjab due to the possibility of dense to very dense fog, and tomorrow this due to the dense fog, Uttar Pradesh on 13th and 14th orange color is given due to the dense fog probability, and on 15th east Uttar Pradesh is given red color due to the dense fog. So this is weather warnings in graphics format and already discussed in detail. So this is all about today's briefing. We will discuss tomorrow in another episode of Daily Weather Briefing. Till then, kindly visit our Facebook, Twitter pages and follow our website. That is national website is mosam.ind.gov.in. We are regularly updating our bulletins, and kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and comment on our different videos. Thank you. We will meet again in another episode. Till then, bye bye.